If you're in online business, there's really no better platform than Kajabi. And with my link, you get a 30-day free trial, which is more than double the standard trial that they offer even on their website. So in this video, I actually want to talk about exactly what you get with my link in addition to the 30-day free trial, because you also get 3 other amazing exclusive bonuses when you use my link. So if you're thinking about jumping into Kajabi, you're going to find in this video that my link is the way to go because of what you get with it. So let's dive right in. The first thing you're going to get, like I said, is that 30-day free trial. And this is huge because this gives you enough time to see if the platform is right for you. You've got 30 full days to jump into Kajabi, build a website, move an email list into Kajabi, and begin building your first product. In fact, if that's something that you're looking to do, I have a playlist right here which will walk you through setting up your first mini course in Kajabi, which you can do in that 30-day free trial. Now, the 30 days is only the beginning of what you get when you use my link to jump into Kajabi. The next thing you're gonna get is my free course that's exclusive to people who use my link, and it's called the Kajabi Accelerator. This course teaches you exactly what you need to know when you jump into Kajabi. In the first lesson, we'll look into just online business as a whole, how to make sure that you have the right strategy for growth, how to get yourself set up so that you can create a passive income style online business with Kajabi in a way that will set you up for success. Then we're gonna dive into Kajabi itself. We're gonna look at how to get set up, what to do first, what to do second, how to make sense of the platform, how to make sure that all your settings are right. And then we're gonna start looking at how to build your first course. It's all in there in the Kajabi Accelerator program, and it's totally yours with my link. Then you're also gonna get, for free, a 45-minute call with me. Now, this is some of the most fun that I have all week. I've done over 120 of these calls, and it's been amazing to work with people one-on-one. This call is totally there to help you. We can talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, talk about how to get the best start on Kajabi. We can answer any questions you have about Kajabi. We can talk about business strategy. It's really yours to make sure that you get the best possible start. So if you've seen a lot of my videos walking through how-tos and tutorials and reviews about Kajabi, and you want to ask me anything one-on-one, this call is for you. It's super valuable and it's yours when you use my link. And then finally, in addition to the course and the 45-minute call, you'll also get my $25,000 course launch email template. Now, what this is are the exact emails and email strategy that I used to launch my first course, which made over $25,000 in the first 3 launches. The reason why this is so valuable is that email is a big part of launching. When you build your course, you've done all that work, it's perfect, it's ready to go, you got your sales page in place, you got your offer in place. Now you have to convey the value of that course to your list. And you need the right emails at the right time to make launch week a success. So this template is yours when you use my link, so that when you go through the course and you build out your first product, we talk, make sure everything about your strategy is in place, then you have exactly the template you need to launch your first course with those emails. So when you put the 30-day free trial together, plus everything else that you get with my link, it really makes the most sense to go with mine. Now, it is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission at no additional cost to you. So if you appreciate what we're doing on this channel, the value that you're getting, the helpful tips and tricks you're getting about Kajabi, it would mean so much to me if you used my link. Now, I want to show you something else that's going to be massively valuable to you if you jump onto Kajabi, and that is my 90-day playlist, which walks through how to crush it on Kajabi in 90 days. So click right here and you'll be able to jump into that playlist, and I'll see you in there. We'll talk about how to crush it on Kajabi in 90 days.